Introduction to Triceps Dips at Home.
Triceps dips are a simple yet effective way to strengthen the backs of your arms and shoulders. You don't need any special equipment, just your body weight and a sturdy chair or low, stable surface. Learning the correct form is essential for working the right muscles and keeping your joints safe. Let's explore how to perform a triceps dip at home, step by step.
Setting up for a safe dip.
Choose a solid, stable chair or bench that won't move during exercise. Sit on the edge and place your hands next to your hips, fingers pointing forward. Your feet should be flat on the floor, with knees bent at about a 90-degree angle. Check that your shoulders are relaxed and your chest is lifted before you begin.
Performing the triceps dip.
Press through your palms to lift your hips off the seat. Slowly lower your body by bending your elbows directly behind you, keeping them close to your sides. Lower yourself until your elbows reach about a 90-degree angle. Avoid dropping too low, as this can strain your shoulders. Then, press back up to the starting position, feeling the work in your triceps.
Tips for elbow and shoulder safety.
Maintain control throughout each movement. Never let yourself drop suddenly. Always keep your elbows pointing straight back, not flaring out, to protect them. Avoid dipping too deep, which can strain the front of your shoulders. If you feel any pain in your joints, stop right away and check your form, or use a smaller range of motion.
Modifications and progressions.
To make dips easier, keep your feet closer to your body or perform just a half dip. For more challenge, extend your legs further or elevate your feet on another surface. Remember, quality is more important than quantity. Start with a manageable number of repetitions and increase only when you can do so with good form and no discomfort.
Summary and final advice.
Triceps dips are a convenient and effective exercise for building upper body strength at home. Focus on correct form, protect your joints, and listen to your body. With consistent practice, you'll see your strength and confidence improve. No special equipment needed.